Still using Canva every time you need a banner? I tested more than 30 AI banner generators, and this free option can create professional-looking designs without starting from a blank canvas. First, open any browser and search for Google Labs Flow AI. Then open the first website. Once you're inside, click on New Project to start creating your banner. Now you'll see the generation settings. Change the mode from video to image, since we're creating a static banner. You can also adjust the available version or model settings according to your requirements and choose how many images you want the AI to generate. Now comes the important part, the prompt. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want your banner to look like. Mention the subject, headline, colors, background, layout, visual style, and the type of audience you're designing it for. For example, if you're creating a promotional banner for a product, you can describe the product placement, background, lighting, text style, and overall advertising look. You don't need to be a professional prompt writer, just explain your idea clearly. Once all the settings are ready, simply click on Submit and let the AI generate your designs. After a little while, you'll get multiple banner variations based on your prompt. Go through the results and choose the one that fits your project best. Found your favorite? Simply click on the 3 dots, then select Download. Choose the quality you want and save the image to your device. And that's it! Instead of spending time creating layouts, finding graphics, and adjusting everything manually in Canva, you can generate multiple banner concepts from a single idea and pick the one you like. You can use these banners for websites, YouTube, social media, advertisements, promotions, or product campaigns.